Hi folks, welcome to Cartagena Spain. Today I'm heading about an hour south to Cartagena. I hope I'm saying that right because I do have a habit of saying it wrong sometimes. So I've had it on my list to go now for a while. I want to go and see what it's like. Lovely day today, nice temperatures, 10 a.m. so it's not roasting, but just nice. And I'm looking forward to this drive. So I'm going to turn my music up, sing my heart out, and I'll see you in Cartagena. Onward and upward.
One hour later.
So far so good. Good first impressions. Now, first job, find somewhere to park. Never easy in Spain in my experience. Hi folks, welcome to Cartagena. So I've started off at the Roman ruins, which is not surprising knowing me. I'm always going for forts and castles and ruins. But I've only been here for half an hour. So far, looks wonderful. The Roman theatre, 2,000 years it's been there, and they only discovered it in the 19th century by accident while digging because it'd been built on top of. So they've been restoring it for years, or I should say restoring them for years. I'm going to head towards the harbour. I just met 3 or 4 American people there and they come over to me and says, "You obviously speak English. Do you know where the toilet is?" I go, "How do they know I speak English?" The only thing is I bought this in Spain. Where am I? Right, well I'm definitely in the right direction to the harbour because there's a big boat. Everywhere you look, there's Roman ruins. I was looking this wall up last night and I was half expecting it was going to say built in 1976 or something. But no, 3rd century BC. It's called the Punic Wall, Cartagena. And back to the old tourist shorts and t-shirt mode. So many people wearing coats and covering up, it's warm. And it's not just me because there are maybe 10% of people sunbathing, wearing shorts. That is the monument to Cavite and Cuba heroes. Sorry about the pronunciation. It's quite windy, I hope the sound's okay. I love Spanish health and safety. Look, no barriers, no safety equipment whatsoever, and no steps or ladders back out if you get fall in. Don't let your kids go near the edge of this. And that is called the cash. Obviously went in head first, look, head straight into the mud, stuck there. And we're heading over there, that's the Marine Museum. And they have a submarine which you can go into, I think. I wonder were they ever fired in anger? For flip's sake, closed. Closed at 2 o'clock, doesn't reopen. No submarine today. At least there's a big anchor. Good thumbnail photo opportunity. University of Cartagena. Now that would get sore. And that is a massive naval base, one of the largest in Spain. Right, so heading north, just outside the city, to a very special location. A crane sculpture. Oh, maybe just a bit of old crane. Do something about the graffiti, Spain. And as Father Ted would say to Dougal, it's not a toy ship, it's a real ship. It's just far away. I'm hoping there's a car park along here somewhere. Ah. Now, this is supposed to be Cartagena's best kept secret. It's beautiful. I'm looking up at a castle, and would you believe there's even graffiti in the castle? I'm gonna go exploring. I think down there I shouldn't really jump. Ah, sure. You get to a certain age, you're always better off doubting your capabilities and being super careful. Oh, just seen a wee creature, frog. Is there frogs in Spain? I'm loving this. The private beach of all private beaches, look. I tried to put my drone up in Cartagena a couple of times. I put it up once, but I was getting this extreme warning and it said that if you put your drone up here unauthorized, it's liable to be frozen and hover in place. I don't know. Well, I'm going to have another go here. I'm out of the city. It's because there's a naval base at the harbour, you know, it's a big naval base. Just enough people here to make it nice, not overcrowded. But oh, isn't this just wonderful? There you go, that's a bit of a tour around Cartagena, and for me it's a wee bit like my first trip to Torrevega. When you go somewhere for the first time, you don't really get a feeling for it, you don't really know where to go, although I looked places up. I had a list of 4 places to go to specifically, and 3 of them were closed. Seems like a very nice place. I especially enjoyed the beach there. That place was just lovely, just beautiful. There doesn't seem to be as much going on as Torrevega, not sure. I heard a lot of American accents today. I'm assuming that's from the big ocean liner. It's a strange time of the year because we're in March, which I would say weather-wise equivalent to about November. Yet in November everywhere was dead, but now here in March you can see it starting to build. Do you remember a few videos ago about the road I told you about? Probably going to get held up because there's always traffic on it. enjoyed that. I'm going to leave it off there. Guys, thumbs up. You don't know how much it helps the channel. YouTube loves thumbs up. So please take a second, give it a wee thumbs up. Love to subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments. But until next time, bye for now.